Hello fellas, welcome back. We're off to see Adam. He's had an Escort Cosy built by MES Tuning. It's 500 brake horsepower, anti-lag, nitrous, two-wheel drive. It's just an absolute beast of a looking thing. But we'll be there soon and we'll find more out about it. Hi fellas, welcome back. I'm here with Adam down MES Performance?
MES Tuning.
Down MES Tuning. Adam's just came down, you just picked your car up, haven't you mate? This car is rear-wheel drive. And what's your experience with rear-wheel drive cars?
Up to now I've had half a day in a Toyota Mark II, one of them 140 horsepower hairdressers ones.
And what's this, about 500?
500-ish plus nitrous, so about 600 with gas on.
Is it? You've never drove it yet?
No, I did a little test ride in this a couple of weeks ago, but he was still setting it up, so it was...
Passenger ride?
I had a little drive in it.
Right, you had a little drive.
It was still setting it up, so I didn't really give much beans like.
You were saying you bought this, it was just a bare shell, weren't you? And you've kind of built it up?
Yeah, so I was on eBay one day, I've always wanted one, dream car and all that. So I was on flicking through eBay, just having a look, and it was a bare shell down at Cosworth Breakers down south, Gary. And
is it Gary Bell?
So I can't remember his name.
I think it's Gary Bell.
Yeah. Anyway, I rung him up, he'd still got it, and literally the doors were on it, the bonnet stay were on it, and there were a brake line clip underneath.
No bonnet?
Nothing. And then 20 months later we got an MOT on it and job were a good one.
Did you build it up?
So I built some of it up myself. I got manuals, a lot of help and advice off people, did a lot of basics myself. I got wiring room, up and down, stuff like that, you know, insulated it, carpeting, dash and plastic, stuff that I could do.
Basics, like, it's basic-ish stuff.
Yeah, luckily best mate's a mechanic, so he helped me with a lot of sort of the more complicated things. And then I met Mike along the journey, got some parts off him. He come and got the engine going. He sort of, when it was done, tuned it, got it sort of running sweet and all that type of stuff, and then been here ever since, just backwards and forwards, spending money.
Investing money.
The investing money.
That's a better way of coming on the side.
Yeah, go for it.
I like the seats, mind.
Yeah.
Cobras.
Yeah, Daytonas.
Nice. So obviously this will have came with no seats when you got it, will it?
Yeah, nothing inside other than some dust.
Have you painted it since you got it?
Yeah, it was Mallard Green to start with.
Was it? Is that what it is on the logbook, Mallard Green?
I've changed it with DVLA now.
Right. Mine's had a colour change like mine, Cosy. Mine was originally Moonstone.
Right.
But being reshelled, mine got crashed, reshelled.
Right, okay.
Can we have a look under the bonnet?
Yeah.
I love the wheels, mind.
Yeah, they redid them like last year, I think. They did another limited run of them.
Beautiful, them. 18s?
Yeah.
Nice big APs there behind. What size are the APs, do you know?
Mike! What size are APs?
350s.
On the front?
Yeah.
350s on the front. What's on the back?
These 4 parts. There's 2 caliper on the back. It's got a Brembo and brake caliper as well.
Nice. Brand new, did you get them?
No, second hand.
Second hand. Oh, nice and clean under here, mind, isn't it?
It's been pretty much gone through completely. Obviously I built it less than 2 years ago, it were on road, and everything was, you know, tidied up as I built it up kind of thing. But Mike's gone back over it again, just fine tuning. And
Mike built the engine, MES Tuning built the engine, didn't
they? Everything's MES Tuning. Loads of custom fab work because obviously it's a 2-wheel drive setup in a 4-wheel drive car, so underneath there's some bits and bobs changed and whatnot. Obviously with power and whatnot.
I can't believe you've never driven this yet and we're going out for the first time.
Ideal opportunity while you're on video, let's in wet.
I know. I like the spoiler as well, the WRC spoiler.
Yeah.
If I had an Escort Cosy, I would put a WRC spoiler on. I think it's one of the first things I would do.
It's caused a bit of controversy, like, where, you know, with friends and stuff, like, oh no, you gotta have whale tail, you gotta have whale tail. They've all got whale tails, haven't they? You've got to be different.
They have. I like that. There's a lass on Instagram I follow and she's got no spoiler on at all, it looks alright. She's got like it's got like a little lower V spoiler, but she's took the big one off the back.
Is it that green one?
I forget what she's called.
Little Katie Ann, I think it is.
Katie Ann.
Got little wolf carbon tip on it, they look nice.
That's it, that's the one. Cool. Can we go for driving it?
Yeah.
Right, 2 seconds. That's what you have for breakfast again, mate. Just check these microphones.
A vaccination.
Put my belt on here.
Probably wise.
Ready when you are, mate. Take your time.
Yep. If we're not going that fast, just look. We both sort of simultaneously go.
I'll speed the footage up.
That's it, yeah. As if you
We'll not put that one, man. We'll not put that one. Yeah, I'm shouting. What gearbox you got on? T5?
Yeah, it's T5 with a big 2 straight cut gear set in it.
Aye.
The last time I drove this car, it was super easy to drive because it was all standard. Well, not super easy, but... And all of a sudden now, it's just so much in a different experience driving it all of a sudden.
I love the noise of that gearbox.
Yeah. When I spoken to him about it, going 2-wheel drive with it and stuff, and he talked to me about box, I says to him, I says, does it make that noise? Does it like go, so if it makes that noise, I'll have it.
Have you had old Fords before? Is this your first one?
Yeah, this is my first one. As much as I'm a massive Ford lover, I've had Subarus, I've had a couple of Imprezas,
have you?
Supercharged EP3 Civic, 106 GTIs, stuff like that. Always absolutely been a car nut. Always wanted an Escort Cosworth. Never had space to put one or whatever, do you know what I mean?
Have you got a garage tour?
Yeah.
Aye. What turbo you got on?
It's a GTX 3071.
You got nitrous as well, haven't you? What's that? What kind of shot you got on?
100.
100. So it's about 600 with NOS?
Yeah. I ain't even got ABS. Took that off.
Did you?
No traction, no nothing.
What coilovers you got on?
Gas.
Gold.
The gold's on back. The front are just normal gas.
Aye.
Because when I went 2-wheel drive, I've got golds on, but obviously the front have had to change. So
nervous for you, mate, like I am. I'm nervous for you.
Hey, Billy. Let's not crash. Simple.
Beautiful car, this thing.
I love it.
I love all this carbon fibre and that as well.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that from, like?
There's a guy called AB Carbon. He's on Instagram.
Right.
And he just popped up one day, and I think he did something else related to something I was following or whatever. And I thought, a banana pod needs to be carbon.
Looks mint. I like it inside. I like how you've still got like nice cloth seats and a bit of comfort.
Yeah, I wanted to sort of best of both worlds.
Alright.
So I wanted something that I can take to Nürburgring and kick it around here, but not be deaf and have a broken back when I get back.
That's sick when you get there. I'm a fucking nervous wreck sat here, you know.
You are. You're driving.
Damp woods as well, isn't it? It's been lashing out there, dear.
It's a perfect situation when you're picking up your car and just rebuilt in it, rear wheel drive. It's just like I say, it's such a different car as well, you know. It always felt before like it was just on the edge of something going wrong with it. Right. Braking, or I used to pull up and smoke would just come out of Bonnie's vent and that because you know, there was some breathing issue and
what power was it before, like?
mid-3s.
Was it like stage 3 or something?
Yeah.
T34?
Yeah.
If I had an Escort Cosy, I would build something like this. Definitely. I would definitely put the WRC spoilers now on.
Love it.
I would definitely put the 18s on, some APs.
Yeah.
I don't know if I could handle 500 brake horsepower though. I'd end up into a Lambo, it's me. I'd be a nervous wreck every time I took it out.
Yeah, it's an anxiety attack. Sometimes decisions like that, you just don't want to think about it. Just go for it.
Go for it. So what exhaust you got on this? I like the tailpipe, like the downswept style.
Love that.
Aye, I do. I like that.
That was one of Mike's ideas.
Was it?
Yeah.
What exhaust is it?
MAS tuning. He's made it himself.
Did he?
Yeah.
How many boxes in it? 2. It's quite-ish, isn't it? It's not loud, this car.
It must be one big one.
One big one?
I'm not sure.
You got any more plans for it?
Enjoy it through summer, really.
Now that's what I do though, like knee cages or...
Oh, loads.
Have ya? Have ya?
Always something in there. I'd love a sequential box. It's just expensive, one of them. It is so expensive.
How much are they? 10?
Something like that, like. A couple of bits externally. I don't know what I want to do yet. I just fancy making a couple of little changes, maybe.
Right. Would you never put a WRC front bumper on?
I've looked.
Have ya? I like them, mate, like, and a bumper you can easily chop and change, can't you?
That's it.
It's not like it's permanent.
I've still got whale tails for it.
Have ya?
Garage light, just for in case I get fed up with that, and I'll sell them.
Well, it's it, man, it's nice to chop and change. And it's only a 5-minute job, to be fair, isn't it? Changing the spoiler.
Yeah, yeah. You remember which way we go right now?
Can I yell? We're getting lost again.
Might have gone up on my phone in a minute. Brooks train station. His garage is next to Brooks train station. I think we'll go in second here now.
Have you got your phone there? I'll put his postcode in the sat nav.
Yeah.
Maps.
That's it.
Bloody Android phones, man.
Huh?
Android phones, man.
Yes. Far superior.
Was it CW?
2.
Oh, MAS tune, it came up there. CW2.
6EQ.
6EQ. Directions. Flipping out this phone, man. What's going on with it? Will you click on directions?
Hold on.
We'll get yourself a proper phone, man.
This is a proper phone. I'll tell you what the problem is that we've got. Put the location on, that helps.
In a quarter of a mile,
Down right.
B3, take the third exit onto Jack Mills Way, B5071.
So is this full time for you then now?
Oh, I wish. Still work a full-time job. I do, I'm an engineer by trade.
Oh really?
I stand around, drink coffees, talk to the apprentices at tied. Make bits for like oil rigs and that.
Yeah.
Exit the roundabout onto Jack Mills.
You know where we are? There.
In 300 yards.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot for that,
My
Adam.
pleasure, no thank you.
I enjoyed that, like. And uncurl me toes now.
I'm being home.
Do you want to leave any links for your social media out like that? Let people follow along with it.
Yeah, so my business, ATR Flooring, that's on Facebook, ATR Flooring Services.
Is that just like for your home, like home floor and stuff like that?
We do bits of that, but it's mainly commercial.
Right.
So to pubs, shops, hospitals, schools, any commercial environment.
Right. Have you got an Instagram as well?
I have, but you know what, I can't remember what it is. Oh, it's Adam.Faver, F-A-V-E-R.
I'll leave that in the description. I'll let people click on it, man, check it out, do you know what I mean? Thanks for watching, fellas. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, mate.